Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So AliExpress saw my videos and decided that they want me to be a part of their promotional campaign to show that they're the cheapest online website with the best deals around. And so they gave me $60 credit, and so I used that $60 credit to get my first Volantex 4-channel Warbird. And this thing was about 65 bucks, y'all. And so I had to use a coupon code and use that $60 credit and get this thing bind and fly. So it didn't come with a transmitter, it didn't come with a battery, but the good news is this thing does bind to my Devo on a 761 protocol. And you guys know I got a bunch of batteries that'll fit this thing. And shoot, I dropped the battery out here. So I got the battery over here. And so this thing is a 1S flyer, as you can see. I got a 1S battery to fly this thing, and I'm gonna fly it on my Devo. I set it up on my Devo and everything. I've been flying this thing around the side of the house and all. Really fun little bird. I figured I'd bring it out here and show you guys how it flies out here. Not a lot of forgiving space out here. But I feel like I can fly this thing well enough to be able to fly it around here. This Warbird tends to want to fly fast, but you can slow it down. I have managed to fly this on the side of the house and having a hard time with some birds making that tight turn right there, like at life storage I'm talking about. But yeah, let's see what it do out here, y'all. I'm gonna try to fly this thing around out here, Squirrel Park. So let's get it. Again, this is on a 761 protocol, so you can fly with multi-protocol transmitters. I got my Devo, my trusty Devo. And so since I don't have the stock transmitter, I can't do the auto rolls and all of that stuff. When you get the stock transmitter, this thing does auto rolls and a lot of other fun little tricks and everything. All I have is gyro assisted and manual mode. Let me see if I can stuff this battery down in here. Okay, we got the battery stuffed. Now I doubt if I'm going to be able to take off from the ground here. No, I already see it's going to tip over. Neat thing about this little bird is that when you crash it, this little prop pops off. It came with 4 sets of props. It has 2 4-bladed props and 2 of these bi-bladed props. I think the bi-bladed props are more durable. The 4-bladed ones broke on me, even with the pop-off mechanism. But check it out. This prop pops off to sort of save the prop and all. It is a brushed bird. But let's get it in the air. Yeah, I think I can fly it well enough to not stall it out here. And it has a tight enough turn radius for me not to crash it really. The squirrel's looking like, man, we can get in that thing. Uh-oh. I thought I can fly it well enough to not crash it out here. Look, he's trying to run for it. He's like, oh man. Squirrel trying to steal the plane. Have you guys seen that video where the squirrel steals the guy's plane?
No. Get out.
Ron, the squirrel's in the plane.
What?
The squirrel, it's taken off in the plane.
I think that was hilarious. Okay, so now we're faced with the dilemma of finding the prop. So this could potentially become a problem, this prop being yellow out here with all these leaves and everything. So let me fly it over here in a wider space. This little guy is definitely a park flyer. This is a 4-channel, so you have aileron, elevator, and rudder. I had my son out here flying flying the plane, and it was hard to get him to turn away from the trees. He kept flying it into the trees. Oh, and just as I talk about him, I fly mines into the tree. And my prop is off. I hope the prop didn't stay up there. That's what it looked like happened. I didn't see the prop come down. Oh, it did come down. The prop came down. Phew. But this thing is a blast, y'all. A lot of fun. Really nice flyer. Check it out. Looks like you got a guy sitting in there, a pilot. He's a flat foamy though. Yeah, one thing I can say about this thing is it doesn't roll very fast. I did adjust the throws and everything mechanically on the servo arms and everything to have this thing with the most throw that it can possibly have, and it still rolls really slow. That's in manual mode. But I'm gonna try it though. See what I mean? Really slow roll on it, y'all. Okay, I'm feeling a little dangerous now. Feeling like I want to fly it through the trees. Not in the tree though. I'm gonna see if I can do a loop out here. That's gonna be hard. Whoa. Tried to save it. But you can crash this little plane all day. It's very light, barely has any weight to it, and with that prop popping off like that, it's dang near indestructible. So we got the prop right here. A little more forgiving out here, away from the yellowness over there. Now, one thing I did do to this little plane to kind of toughen it up is I put tape on the leading edges of the wings and all of the surfaces. I tried to add tape to it, so that's why it looks kind of messed up over there. I forgot to put some tape right here. I should have put some tape right there. So I recommend that you guys put tape on the nose, on the bottom of the nose. All the rest of the nose is protected by the prop there. This thing looks awesome though. Really scale and everything in the sky. Let's do a speed pass. Going this way, let's see. 'Cause that wasn't fast at all. Okay, that's his top speed right there. Maybe I should try to. There we go. Oh. Ah. Couldn't cut it hard enough. And my prop popped off. I feel like I'm rolling the dice every time the prop pops off of this thing. Just pressing my luck each time. But this little guy just keeps getting up. Pretty decent flight time on it too. Oh, another thing about this little bird is when it's reaching LVC, it actually beeps. It has a buzzer inside the plane. And I noticed that because with the transmitter, I thought that the transmitter would probably beep. But since I was using my Devo, I said, oh man, I lose that feature now. And I was thinking I gotta set a timer or something on my Devo. But nope, this thing will beep in the air. I was flying this guy and I heard a beep. And I said, what's that? Is that the plane beeping? I pulled it in and sure enough, this thing was beeping. Here go me again. Right in the tree. I tried to cut throttle and go down, and it looked like I'm in the tree, y'all. Let me get me a good stick, just in case I'm in the tree. I have extra props in case this thing is in the tree, and I knock it down and don't find the prop. I can still get the bird down. I couldn't see where I went, but it looked like I went in this tree right here, y'all. Coming around here hoping that it fell, but it looked like I'm in the tree for sure. And it's not making any noise. Oh, there I am right there, y'all. So let me hit this and knock it down. There we go. Yeah. Flew it right in the tree. Pressing my luck with this little guy. I think I might want to quit while I'm ahead. Got this little guy stuck in the tree. But really awesome little plane, y'all. And you can get this binding fly from AliExpress. I have the link in description. Be sure to check out the codes that I have in description and pinned in the comments to get some awesome deals from AliExpress. And this, oh, I didn't tell you guys the name of this thing. This is called the Volantex. I think that's the way you say the name. P51d Mustang. Thanks for watching. One more quick flight.